In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken, shrimp, and vegetable soup. For 4 servings, you will need 4 ounces chicken breast without skin sliced thinly, 2 ounces shrimp peel, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil, or you can also use the oil spray, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 2 cups cabbage cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 carrot sliced thin, 2 cups cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of celery also sliced thin, 1 cup mushroom sliced thin, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix with water and mix it real well. And salt and pepper to taste. First of all, marinate the sliced chicken breast with soy sauce. Mix it well, and you can marinate it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, heat half teaspoon of oil or use oil spray in the pot to stir fry the chicken. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's cooked. You want to continue to stir so they won't stick to the bottom of the pot. When it's cooked, set it aside. Just put it in another clean plate. Then drop another half teaspoon of oil or use oil spray to stir fry ginger and garlic. Stir fry until it smells good. Usually in high heat it's about 1 minute. Continue to stir fry so it won't be burned. Then add the chicken broth. I'm adding 4 cups of chicken broth for 4 servings. Then add the cornstarch solution. Again, make sure that the cornstarch solution mix well so there will not be any lumps in the soup. Mix it well. Then add the vegetables. we want to cook the vegetables in high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you would like your vegetables. Some people like it crunchy, while others like it soft. And the shrimp should be the last one to be added because it cooks quickly. Depending on the size, usually shrimp cooks in about 1 to 2 minutes. So when it's cooked, you want to add back the chicken. Then you want to add the salt and pepper to taste. And now it's ready. With this recipe, you can enjoy one or more bowls because a bowl or a serving only contains 111 calories and only 2 grams of fat. Enjoy!